Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing on the second question covering PySpark interview series. To find the total sales as per the genre, and then we have to order them based on the total sales in the descending order. Okay, let's see the table. So we are given globally weekly charts for 2013 to 2014, and these are the columns. We have pause, game, platform, publisher, genre, week, weekly, total, week ending, ID. So let's preview the values of the table. So if you see, we have genres, that is sports, fighting, action, shooter, simulation, and so on. One key thing to notice is, does the genre has a specific ID, or is ID different as per the new entries? So for sports, it is given as 21726. If we scroll down, we got sports and this is 312005. What does that mean? I mean, ID is unique and genre group by. This question has been asked in Spotify and Audible. Okay. If you have missed my previous question, I have linked it. Go through it first so it helps you. In order to solve this, so when we are trying to find the genre level total sale, we need to group by that. Okay, so we'll first method will be using group by. So in order to use group by that, we are importing the PySpark library, pyspark.sql, import functions as f data frame to find grouped by genres. Okay, so first this is the data frame, and what we are trying to do is we are trying to group by. So this will be the way to group by, and we have to group it by genre. Okay, so once the group by genre is complete, we need to find the sum of all the sales. So for finding the sum of all the sales, we can use dot aggregate. So this aggregate is used, and inside aggregate we will call function, and we're calling for the function here is sum, and we want to sum it on. So the column here referred is total. So giving the name is from using alias total sales. Okay, dot order by. So since the next ask is order by again f dot descending. So we were required to order it by in the descending order of the total sales. So now here the column that we have to refer is total sales. That's a new column that we have given. Now, so this is done. We will convert this data frame to pandas and df dot show to view the top 20 records. Yes, we got the genre and the total sales. So this is what we required. Now, instead of writing this f dot sum alias or f dot descending total sales, we can also use something that we have already discussed in the previous question. That is nothing but select expr f dot expr. We have x dot f dot expr. So this will take whatever we have mentioned inside the bracket as the expression. So sum of what we are trying to do, sum of sales or the sum of total in this case. Okay, sum of total, and as we pass the SQL query, okay, so as what do you want it to be named as total sales. So this is one of our expression and the things are closed. Okay, now the same goes here, f dot expr, and we are trying to do order by, right? So here we will write as total sales, and this needs to be in descending. So just like how we define SQL query. Okay, let's run this, and yes, it's the same. Okay, so that's it. This is how we can solve it, and we can use a group by. This is the easiest PySpark question so far. Follow for more, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your time. Bye.